Hello guys, today I have got Motorola Razr 60 and I'm going to show you how to split screen the screen for two separate applications. So, at first you need to open the compatible application, for instance Facebook. How to know that your application is compatible? I will tell you this in a moment. Now let's open second application, like for example Gmail. Here Facebook and Gmail, like this. And now if you tap your application icon at the top with this arrow and you don't see split screen, your application is not supported. Tap split screen and now you can tap the other application. And that's it. Goodbye.